our government proposes to launch a mega pension yojana, namely Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan. Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan will be for the organized sector workers with monthly income up to rupees 15,000. This pension yojana shall provide them an assured monthly pension of rupees 3,000 after they achieve the age of 60 years. On a monthly contribution, a small affordable amount during their working age. An unorganized sector worker joining the pension yojana at the age of 29 years will only have to contribute 100 rupees per month till he attains the age of 60 years. A worker joining the yojana at 18 years of age will only have to contribute 55 rupees per month. सरकार इतना ही पैसा अपनी तरफ से उसमें जोड़ेगी. The government will contribute an equal matching share in the pension account of the worker every month. हमारा अनुमान है कि कम से कम 10 करोड़ अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर के कर्मचारी, लेबरर, वर्कर सबको प्रधानमंत्री श्रम योगी मानधन का लाभ मिलेगा और अगले 5 साल में शायद ये विश्व सबसे बड़ी के रूप में उभर जाएगा. इसके लिए भी इसी साल हमने स्कीम को लॉन्च कर दिया है और 500 करोड़ रुपए इस स्कीम में जरूरत पड़ने पर हम देने के लिए तैयार हैं. और अधिक राशि लगेगी तो और अधिक राशि भी इसके लिए उपलब्ध करवाई जाएगी. The scheme will also be implemented, as I said, from the current year itself. Our government is committed to reach the most deprived citizens of this country. To this end, the condition of the denotified nomadic and semi-nomadic communities, जो विमुक्त हैं, घुमांतु हैं, अर्ध घुमांतु समुदाय हैं, उनके लिए एक विशेष इस बार सरकार ने उसके ऊपर विशेष ध्यान दिया है. These communities are hard to reach, less visible, and therefore frequently left out. The nomadic and semi-nomadic communities move from place to place in search of a livelihood. The Renke Commission and the Idate Commission have done commendable work to identify and list these communities. A committee under Niti Aayog will be set up to complete the task of identifying denotified, nomadic, and semi-nomadic communities